Introducing the vacuum storage stand with wheels for Dyson. Tired of struggling to move or store your Dyson vacuum cleaner? This innovative stand with wheels is here to make your life easier. With its convenient rolling design, effortlessly move your vacuum from room to room. It securely holds your vacuum upright and features additional storage compartments for attachments. Crafted with quality materials, it adds style to your home. Simplify your cleaning routine with the Dyson vacuum storage stand with wheels. Enjoy effortless mobility and organized storage for a cleaner home.